guys, today my dad is going to show me something. Show you guys something so you can do it easily. You don't need to pay money.
Right, so the good thing is that we were searching so many applications on App Store which were charging a lot of money and just to screen record. So what we will be doing
I'll show you guys. I know one thing.
If you go on settings, let me just show.
Oh, yeah.
If you go on settings, what you need to do is simply follow these steps, right? So if you go to settings and then you go to here, control center, and then just go all the way here, which I can just show you that this screen recording will be coming in this list. You need
This
to
is so cool.
press plus button, and then what you can do, simply swipe and then you can start recording from here. You can see the red button coming because it's recording right now.
Yeah, we're recording right now from that.
Just for you guys. So say goodbye to all of those applications who are charging loads of money, and do this step. It will be on iPhone, iPad, any Apple device. You can easily record your screen. All right, thank you. Hope it will be useful for you, and please like, subscribe, whatever you do.
Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next
and
video.
tell us in the comments if it's helpful for you. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye guys.